use. Inverse norm, correct? Okay, let's look at question 3. They say X is normally distributed with the mean of 30 and the standard deviation of 5. And the probability of X less than or equal to A is equal to 0.57. Hey, we've done this already, huh? Have we? Hello, have we done this? Yes. Okay, never mind. Since we are talking about it, let me call someone. Yeah, Brandon. A greater than 30 or less than 30? Brandon, A greater than 30 or less than 30? Brandon, are you there?
Yeah.
Greater than 30 or less than 30? Greater than 30, because if you look at the diagram, still remember, okay, so because halfway probability is 0.5, correct? This is 0.57 to the left, so it's greater than 30. So this is your A. That's why we say use the diagram, correct? Okay, since we are talking about it, never mind. How to get A? How to get A? Xin Li, Chu Xin Li. You see, I called Chu Xin Li 10 times. Chu Xin Li never respond to me. Not Cindy. This person. Yes. How to get A? Can you please tell me? Please talk, please talk. How to find A? Please talk. You have no mind. Okay, then you type, you tell me how to find A. Do you know you are in borderline? If you still don't want to that one, then no one can help you. Okay, to find A, we know to find the value of the variable, we use inverse norm, correct? Yes, we use inverse norm. Yeah. Okay, good. So we have done the question 3. Okay. We also have done some of the, did you try the questions in the, okay. Okay, Cindy, I delete off your number, your name. Okay, yeah. Okay, can you go to, this is also a good question to try. How to do question 4C. A, B shouldn't be a problem. C. How to do question 4C? This one depend on your calculator already. So I have a X, which is normally distributed. Mean is 15. Standard deviation is 3. So given probability of 15 minus K is equal to 0.9. So they want you to find the value of K. Do you know how to do? Do you know how to do this one? Okay, you try. I draw out the diagram. You think of how to use your graphic calculator to help you. Here is your mean. This is your K. So here will be 15 minus K. Here is also your K. So here is equal to 15 plus K. This whole area is 0.9. Okay. I let you go and settle. There are many ways of doing it. See how you want to do it. So this area will be 0.05. This area also 0.05. Okay, now based on the area I shaded, then you try to figure out how to get K. You either can get the value of 15 plus K or 15 minus K. Okay, anyone got any issue of how to get this value? 0.05? Do you know how to get 0.05?
Yeah.
Okay, no question means I assume you understand what I written down there. Yes, 1 minus 0.9 divided by 2 because it's symmetrical. The left tail and the right tail, they are equal. So it's 1 minus 0.9 divided by 2. So I got 0.05. This is only for symmetrical. So have you got the K? So I can use two different ways. You definitely have to use inverse norm. Area. The first one is always the area. The mean. The standard deviation. And this is only possible for those who have the center. Center must be symmetrical. Left and right must be the same. Okay, you can get this. So if you are using this, may I know what is the answer come out? Can someone tell me the answer? Mine don't have, okay? So I cannot tell you. But actually I can. What is the value? They will come out two value for you. Am I right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the two value?
I got 10.065 and 19.934.
19.934. Yeah. Okay, look. This one I can get it from inverse norm 0.05, comma 15, comma 3. And this one, I can get it from inverse norm. Those without, you can get inverse norm from 0.95, comma 15, comma 3. All right. So this will be your K 15 minus K. So you can get the answer by just one of them. So that means you can say that 15, you can make use of this. 15 minus K is equal to 10.065. So therefore, K equal to 15 minus 10.065. So you get 4.635. So I will give you full mark. So to solve all these type of questions, it's best to draw out the bell. Okay, if you want to use this one, you also can say 15 plus K is equal to 19.934. So K equal to, there will be a slight difference. The one that give me the inverse norm 19.93, is it correct? Let me have a look. 19.935. If I round off, okay, 935. Okay, so 19.935 minus 15. So I got, oh, here should be 9. Yep. So I got 4.935. So it's the same. You will get the same answer. Understand that? So when can you use center? When they are equally apart from the mean. If not, okay, now I want to put this in word. The probability of X is within K unit from the mean. So if I say within K unit from the mean, it means that the lowest is mean minus K. The highest is mean plus K. That is the meaning of within. Do you get me? So you have to be very, very, very careful. Yeah. The word, we say within. Okay. So the rest of the questions, you please try. Okay. Let's have a look at 8F.2. Okay, let's solve questions 5 and 6. Okay, I give you 5 minutes to try to solve question 5. If you don't know the mean, don't know the standard deviation, you want to find the mean and standard deviation, what you need to do is you need to change it to standard score. If not, you want to do try and error, also can. Weekly income, X. Is normally distributed. The mean is 6100. Standard deviation is a question mark. Okay, then we have, okay, this is your 600, 6,000. The area here, 0.85. Okay, the Z score, I don't know. I let it be Z1. So, can anyone tell me, can I use my calculator and get the value of Z1? Can or not? Okay, Yushen?
Yes.
Can I get Z1? How to get Z1?
Inverse norm.
Yeah, good. Inverse norm. Okay, inverse norm. Okay, what must I put in here?
0.85.
Then,
And then six,
what is the mean?
6,100.
Cannot be. I'm talking about this one. Young lady,
6,000.
cannot. The mean. This first one is the
Oh,
area.
zero.
Yes, you are talking about the Z. Always remember 0. Then the standard deviation,
1.
1. Left or right?
Right.
Right. Right? If I have the other calculator, then I have no choice. I have to know, in this case, I have to minus. Right? Then 0 and 1. Whenever I say look for Z score, right, you have to remember the mean is 0, the standard deviation is 1. Okay, so what is the answer? Negative. Yeah, let me 1 minus 0 0.85, 0, 1, very quick one. Okay, we got negative 1.0364. Okay. Okay, so now, can you please write an equation that link between this one, 600, mean and standard deviation here? So I will write down negative 1.0364 is equal to, I'm using this one. Okay. X is my 600, 6,000. The mean is 6,100. Standard deviation, I don't know. So that means the standard deviation will be equal to negative 100 divided by negative 1.0364. So you get the answer. Are you okay? So can you do number 6 by yourself? Write down in your book. You can write in any other way. You don't have to write my way. My way is because I want you to visualize. Okay? So please do number 6 now by yourself. A lot of students fumble in this part. You will be asked, definitely. I guarantee you. So the answer is 96.5. So when you talk about money, it's good to put 2 decimal place for it. Yeah. Okay, can you please do number 6 by yourself? Write down in your paper properly. Then I will call someone to send. This one you have to be very careful with the time. Have you got the answer? Four oh one. Someone get the mean time is PM. Do you get that? Do you get the answer? Just now EJ is the one who give me the answer. Oh, Chi En is the one who give me the answer. EJ, do you get the answer? So do I need to explain how to get this answer? Yes or no? Hello. Yes. Okay. So first of all, same like this question, I have to get the standard score first. Okay. So I use the inverse norm. Since it's to the left, before means the area to the left, before 355. So I put 0.1, the area, 0 and 1 paste. So the corresponding z-score is negative 1.28. Okay, if you round off, okay, just put it 1/6, okay? Okay, so then we use back this formula. Negative 1.2816 equal to, this is your x, 3 hours 55 minutes. Take away the mean, divide by the standard deviation. Okay, the standard deviation is 5. So you put there 5. Okay, so that means your mean will be 3 hours 55 minutes plus, okay, 1.2816 you times 5, 1.2816 times 5. So you got 6.408 minutes. So you add this minute to here. So you got 4:01 p.m. You get me? Are you okay? So it's good to draw out this one and get the answer. Okay, so sometimes you also need to do two simultaneous equations. Okay, let's have a look at question 9. Okay, you try to do question 9. The diameter of the piston. You see, things made by machine, correct, is very precise. The standard deviation is very, very small. Yeah, you know what to do. You get your Z1, Z2, then you form two equations, then you settle your problem. Or use inverse norm. You want to find the value of the variable, you must use inverse norm. When you use that, because you know the mean and the standard deviation. But this one you cannot straight away use in because you don't know the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, someone has sent me already. Huh? Okay. Are you okay? Okay, can someone tell me what is Z1 for my case? Okay, EJ told me is negative 1 point. Huh? Okay. How come got different answer? So who is right, who is wrong? Is negative 1.751? Okay. So this one you use inverse norm 0.04, 0.1 and left. Okay. The other one you don't have to put. Okay, you just straight away. So you get the answer. Inverse norm 0.04, 0.1 paste. Okay, so you get negative 1.75069. Okay, we try to be as accurate as possible. So I got negative 1.75069 standard deviation equal to 3.994 minus mean. All right? I straight away put the standard deviation across. Okay, how about Z2? Okay, yeah, should be positive. 1 minus 0.05. So you got 1.64485. So 1.64485 standard deviation equal to 4.006. 4.006 minus mean. So what you can do is you minus the two equations, all right? The top minus the bottom, easier. Okay, so 1.64485 plus 1.75069. So you got 3.39554 standard deviation equal to 3.994 plus minus, so you get 0.012. So you see, things made by machine is very, very precise. So you see how precise is it? 0.00353 cm. You see or not? How accurate, how precise is the thing? When you talk about the screw, too big also cannot, too small also cannot. So this is about not even, it's 1/10 of a millimeter. So in the exam, if the question asks, which is, they give you two distribution. One is very high standard deviation. One is very small standard deviation. They say, which one is the weight of an apple produced by the farm, and which one is the weight of a bag of sugar or whatsoever packed by in a factory. So the one with the lowest standard deviation is the one that is produced by a machine. Naturally occurrence thing, correct, usually will have a high standard deviation. Okay, so is that correct? What is the mean? Can someone calculate the mean and let me know? 4 cm. Exactly. That is good. Actually, it's 4.0001. Very precise. 4.001. Actually, what they want is depend on how you calculate here. Okay. 4.006. Take away 1.64485 times 0.00353. Yeah, it's 4.0002. 4.0002. So round up to three significant figure is 4.00. Okay. So the rest you should be able to do. So do you think part B? That one you have to use a normal CDF. Okay. So do you have any issue to ask? Any questions specifically that you like to ask me? Or you want to try question 10? Yeah, we shall try question 10. Review, I will go through with you tomorrow to complete the whole thing. Okay. Question 10. It's the same as question 9, correct? Okay. The issue is the part B. Okay, I'm going to discuss part B with you. The part A you should be able to do. Okay, I'm not going to discuss the part A with you. This is 8F.2. Okay, so 8F.2, question 10, the mean is 2 cm. The standard deviation is 0.0305. cm. Okay, now. Okay, let's go to part B. Okay, find the probability that at most one token out of a random selected sample of 20 will not operate the machine. How to do this? So this is a binomial or a normal?
Binomial.
Binomial. Okay, good. So this is a binomial. Okay, sample means number of trial. Okay, what is the number of trial?
20.
Gerald, what is the number of trial? Gerald. Very difficult to call your class. I call 10. 9 don't answer me. 20. Okay. So what is the probability of success? Means probability of what? A token cannot be used, correct? Am I right? So how to get this answer? They say in the manufacturing process, 2% of the token were too small and 3% were too large. 2% too small cannot be used, and 3% too large cannot be used, right? So the answer is 0.05. You don't have to go and count. It's given by the question already. So now, find the probability that at most, what do you mean by probability of at most? 1. At most 1 means maximum 1. So that means probability of our variable x is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so what can we use? Yeah, what can we use to find the answer for this? Mr. Gerald, where are you? Gerald, if you don't answer me, I 1 grade down. If you get an A, I give you an A minus for your SAT 5. Gerald, you see? Sleeping. Okay, so what to use? Shani, can you tell me what to use for this one?
Binom CDF.
Binom CDF. Yes, you are right. Sorry. Binom CDF 20 0.05, and 1. Yeah, then you get the answer. Okay, so you get the answer. Huh? So big? Not working so big. Ah? Okay, let me check the answer from the back. Oh, so big. Wow, so the chances of at most one working, not working is so high. Okay, now, can I? So you can check the answer from the, okay, how about C then? Jack has 3 tokens. Find the probability that all will have a diameter greater than 2. So I have to find the probability of the diameter greater than 2. Correct? Okay. So I use, what do I use? Normal or binom? I have to use normal CDF. Am I right? Because diameter is normally distributed, mean is I lah. Do I need to use calculator? Hello? Can anyone tell me, do I need to use calculator? For this case, do I need to use normal CDF? Hello? Student? Huh? Rachel? Can you tell me the answer for this without using calculator? Rachel 1. The mean is 2. More than 2. Ethan? Ethan Xu? What is the answer? Ethan?
0.125.
Why 0.125?
I just took 0.5 to the power of 3.
No, I mean, yeah, this is 0.5, right? Yeah, so for this one, 0.5 to the power of 3. Yes, you are right. So 0.125. All the 3 are more than 2 cm. Okay, so you don't have to use any normal CDF for what? Okay, because it is more than the mean. Half of it is more than the mean. All right, normal distribution. Okay, Anna, so this chapter, after all, is not a very tough one, as long as you know what it is. So this chapter will have 2 questions as well. Okay, chapter 7 got 2 questions, chapter 8 got 2 questions. Okay, hello? So tomorrow during the lecture, I will make a summary. Yep. Okay, thank you, class.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thanks.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.